While you were in Kauai, did you do anything else?
We observed the Kauai Police Department serve 2 search warrants. One on Chad and Lori's condo and the other on the rental vehicle.
Did you perform those searches as well, or just observe the Kauai Police Department do it?
No, we just observed and let them serve.
Do you recall where their condominium was located in Kauai?
I don't recall the physical address, but it was Princeville.
And is that a town or city in Kauai?
Yes.
When you observed the search of the residence they were living in Princeville, after the Kauai Police Department did their search, were you able to walk through that residence?
Yes, I was.
All right. What did you observe at that residence?
Everything looked normal. It appeared 2 adults were living there. There were beach towels, 2 beach towels. Everything was in pairs. Food in the fridge, couches. Everything seemed ordinary.
Did you see JJ Vallow there?
No,
Did you see Tylee there?
no,
Did you see anything that would have indicated to you that a child was living there?
no, I didn't.
Did you observe anything that would have indicated to you that a teenager was living there?
No.
Detective, to your knowledge, did Lori Vallow ever produce her children to the Rexburg Police Department or the Department of Health and Welfare?
No, she didn't.
Your Honor, I'm going to ask that the witness be handed State's Exhibit 6. Detective, do you recognize State's Exhibit 6?
Yes, I do.
What does it purport to be?
It's a photograph of Tylee Ryan.
Did you, as part of your search, did you look at Tylee Ryan's social media?
Yes, we did.
To your knowledge, was this image obtained from her social media?
It was taken from her Instagram account.
And so as part of your search, did you personally observe her Instagram account?
Yes, I did.
And did you personally observe this image on her Instagram?
Yes, I did.
Is this a true and accurate representation of what you observed on her Instagram?
Yes.
And also, as part of your investigation, did you see other pictures of Tylee Ryan?
Yes, I did.
And is this individual, is that a true and accurate representation of Tylee Ryan?
Yes.
Your Honor, the state would move for State's Exhibit 6 to be entered into evidence.
No objection, Judge. Very well. Exhibit 6 has been offered and admitted without objection, so it's in the record and will be published if you wish, Mr. Ward.
Thank you. Detective, is this the exhibit we were just speaking of?
Yes, it is.
What was the username on the account that you found that picture in?
Tylee A. Ryan.
And this individual is the Tylee Ryan that you came to recognize through your search.
That's correct.
Detective, I want to ask you about the phrase proof of life. Are you familiar with that phrase?
I am.
As a detective, what does that mean to you?
Proof of life is any documentation, any video, photograph, anything that we can use to show the last time somebody was saw alive or seen alive.
Pursuant to your investigation, did you find a last known proof of life for Tylee Ryan?
Yes, I did.
How did you locate that?
That was taken from Lori Vallow's iCloud account.
And what Do you know which iCloud account it was taken from?
Lori for Style at iCloud.com.
And what was the form of that proof of life?
It was a photograph of Tylee taken at West Yellowstone.
Your Honor, I'm gonna ask the state, or the witness behind it, State's Exhibit 29A, 29B, and 13, and I believe these come in by way of stipulation.
All right, defense me as well.
Judge, that's correct, by way of stipulation.
I'll just review those briefly and then have a quick sidebar with counsel.
Sure.
And I will note that exhibits 29A and B and exhibit 13 are all admitted without objection. You can proceed, Mr. Wood.
Thank you. Detective, would you look at State's Exhibit 13? What does that report to be?
That is the photograph taken from Lori for Styles iCloud account. They testified to earlier with Tylee and West Yellowstone.
If I may publish.
Yes.
You can just identify the individuals in that photograph, Detective.
Sure. The little boy is J.J. Vallow. The Tylee Ryan's in the middle, and their uncle Alex Cox is on the right.
And as part of this exhibit, did it contain metadata?
Yes, it did.
And did the metadata in this instance, well, can you describe to the jury what metadata is?
Sure. Metadata is like a time and date, as a time and date stamp with a photograph that's taken. So it's just data associated with the photograph.
And this photo was accompanied by metadata.
That's correct.
And what date was this photograph taken?
September 8th, 2019 at 2:49 p.m.
And you testified earlier that this was in Yellowstone.
Yes,
How do you know that that's Yellowstone?
I've been there.
So you personally recognize that location?
Sure.
Detective, revisiting this idea of proof of life. Throughout your investigation, were you ever able to find photographs dated later than that of Tylee Ryan living?
No.
And can you describe just quickly where you found that photograph?
From the iCloud account associated with Lord.
And I believe you already said it, but just for purposes of the record, what was the name of that iCloud?
Lori for Style at iCloud.com.
And how do you know that that account was associated with Lori Vallow?
The information attached to it and also the photographs that were attached.
And when you say photographs, what type of photographs led you to believe that that was attached to Lori Vallow?
Family photographs, Lori Vallow's photographs with her in the photos.
Detective, pursuant to your investigation, are you aware of a last known proof of life for J.J. Vallow?
Yes, I am.
Your Honor, I'm going to ask this. The witness behind State's Exhibit 14, which I believe also comes in by way of stipulation.
From our record, again, Mr. Wood, it's been stipulated to and there is there an objection to the 14 minute?
No, Judge, it was entered by stipulation of parties.
14 is admitted.
Detective, what is State's Exhibit 14?
That is a photograph of JJ sitting on a couch in what appears to be the front room of apartment 175.
And where did you locate this picture?
That was also on Lori for Style, iCloud.com.
You mentioned you believe you recognize the location. I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Yes, it appears to be the front room, sitting on a couch that was found in Lori Vallow's apartment 175.
Did this picture have, well, may I publish it for the jury? Your Honor? Can you just describe to the jury what you observed in State's Exhibit 14?
That's JJ Vallow sitting on the couch in red pajamas.
And did this picture, was this picture everybody by metadata?
It was,
Is this the metadata that accompanied that picture?
yes,
What was the date of that picture?
September 22nd, 2019,
Did you know what time of day it was taken?
11:46 a.m.
And just to clarify, what iCloud account was that picture taken from?
Also, Lori for style, I thought.